calculation. So first you need to import the what? Since this is still with input something, right? So java.util.scan scanner sc equal to what? New and integer number. So here we're going to task one is mean task one from the user to enter a number. Okay, or 0 to exit. So it means they will keep on asking you to enter something. So you can actually start with this do while loop. While what? While the number is not equal to 0. So this 0 is a centennial value. 0 is a centennial value. Centennial value is mean the value used to terminate the loop. Okay, so I try to put and centennial value is a value to end the loop. So now you can actually try to use system.out.print, for example, enter a number or 0 to right. So this is a number equal to sc dot next. Okay, you can actually try to run this program, execute it. Execute this program, so they will actually keep on from you to enter something. So for example, 1, 2, 3. Okay, or I decided to end already lah. Now, okay, I decided to end this thing, so I put 0, then end this program. Okay, so now uh, try to complete this program, run it, see whether they're able to prompt you, uh, then keep on asking you the number, enter something. Are you assigned later on the lab tutorial? No need to use loop one. No need to use loop. Okay. Okay, so the number, I think most of you okay already, right? You already enter the, this, you can actually see that this repeating the, this one. Okay, repeat this value. So now what actually we need to do, we haven't finished this program yet because we have to what? In this program, you terminate it, but you need to find out this average, right? You need to find out the average of this number you input. So probably here, you can have a one more double average equal to this 0. So how to calculate the average? And also maybe you have another integer count. We need to count how many number, then only we can do the average. Am I right or not? And apart from count, you also have one more integer total. Okay, so we total up this we have this count how many number you input, total up and find out this average and so forth over here. So now once you have all these things already. Okay, so now can you actually help me to uh, here's some simple task here. So try to accumulate the total, increment the count, and after finish ready, you need to what? Find out the average, display the average. Okay, so this 14 probably I need you to fill in, okay? I need to fill in, accumulate the total, increment the count, find out the average, display the average. Done already, right? Accumulate the total quite simple, but problem I found out even though some diploma and degree student after my programming subject go the degree they forget everything. Okay, because got lecturer from degree one complain to me say that okay the student not even don't know how to do the this accumulate the this value. number. Accumulate very simple. What equal to what plus something like this. Just plus a value then assign back into this program. Right? Okay, accumulate the total. You can say that total equal to this total plus the number. The total plus the existing, then save it back into the total and so forth. Increment the count plus and so forth. Find out that this average should be what? This average equal to what? This total divided by count. But problem, you have to understand that the moment that enters zero, zero also added into this total. Then count plus. Then after that, we only detected zero is not equal to zero. Then false, then we end the program. So, but zero also count inside. In this case, probably this one count, you have to what? -1. Doing this calculation, right? Doing this calculation. Okay. So and also now we try to display this average control system dot out dot printf, for example. So average is percentage point 2f x less n and followed by this. Okay, so now I try to run this program. Try to run this program. Enter 3, 4, 5, for example. Okay, 3, 4, 6 lah. 3, 4, 6. Then after that, 13, 0, 13 divided by 3. So should be 13 divided by should be 3.33333 some sorry 4 point something, okay, but now problem we only get 4.0, okay, 4.0, okay. What's the problem? 3, 4, 13, 13 divided by 3, so it means 4, 10, 4.33333 non-stop lah, understand not? So it means it should be the 4.3, but our result come out is only 4.3. Can you tell me what is the problem or not? Yes, one thing is right. Total and count are integer. Integer divided by integer, then integer, lor. Right? As I told you before, okay, the type is the same. Right? For example, you married with a what? For example, something married with a Chinese guy, okay, so I think you will sure get a Chinese boy, Chinese girl one. Understand not? Type is the same. Now you need to convert. Convert type. How we convert it in this case? Right? Any idea now how we convert this one into the double? A lot of students face a problem when come to this data conversion. Really, okay? When come to Java, how to convert? There got many patterns to convert, but I can teach you one very 30, not the professional way to convert it into this total. We don't have something like C++ static class, okay? But in the Java, if I want to convert it, we got a numerous way, we got a professional way, or we got there's a shortcut way. Shortcut way is very simple. You convert either one value to the double, then it's done with it. You do, okay? So this total you just actually what? Multiply with what? 1.0. Total supposedly is a 13. 13 multiply 1.0 will be 13.0 already. So you convert to the double. Double divide by this account -1 integer, it will convert to the double as well. Because double, the value is bigger the memory size. So automatically convert to the double. So now you can get this the output already. So try to run it again. Right? Try to run it again. 3, 4, 6, for example. Then 0 and supposedly you get 4.33. Done already again. Yeah, I try to copy this whole code into this public chat section. So it means hopefully there's some actually blow up a bit. Sometimes very hard on online up in the bit level up. We also don't know. Yongxing as the count -1 also can. Not bad also. Sorry for this online class, I cannot really help you to debug and so forth because if debugging time will really take, I have to convert you to this presenter. You have to share the screen. Let me check one by one and so forth. Okay, so this is a little bit time consuming. What actually I can do, I copy my code, paste it into this public chat section. Then you can actually have a look. Can I not, guy? Convert number 6 is mean convert into the while loop. I think very simple. Just twist the sequence on it. This one, when you go to this while loop, it means this one just move it on top, move it to here. This one remove, get it or not? While actually move it to here. That's all already. So this is just the sequence on it. Okay, become a pre-test loop rather than this post-test loop. Your program can execute or not at this moment, guys? If cannot execute, Justin, just use my program code, paste it inside and see, okay? As I mentioned, I cannot help you to debug the program, share the screen, and so forth. Online, some more today is a 1 hour only. After that will be a test already. If don't let you run, then you close up this Apache NetBeans, then open again, no? Try the IT guy must be flexible, enough one, okay? Vì cái cầm theo cái program khui đó tôi à. cái girlfriend mày đúng mày chơi có lần rồi cái girlfriend này nói this is our flexible a bit okay but not ask you to find a new wife or new husband that one is not good If really cannot run, you have to think and see what is happening properly because of what? Your software got problem, got what, got. Mostly all the students are no problem, I think. Only a few students no respond again. No, okay or not? Pinji, I don't know again. Nothing with window in update now, okay? It should not be the window update. If you think that is a window update, then I think you better restart your computer, you join back to this section. Okay, so now can we move it into the next question? We only can maximum two question only. Okay, I don't think so. We can do this. So now can you move it into the question number 7? Write a program to sum the first n number where n is a number you input. Check the program using input of 10. That is to give you the answer 55. I mean 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 until 10 and so on. Then the answer should be 210 and so on. Yeah, so now we try to start this new program. Okay, create another called Big 5, new Java class, Big 5. That's it. Try the physical class, sometimes very important. Okay, online class with a lot of limitation. You can actually ask students to share the screen, but problem again. So one student like this, 2 students or 3 students, half an hour gone already. Okay, so know what to say lah. Try to import java.util. And sc go to what? New. Integer. This one we are going to use a what loop. This one is mean it's certain one. It means based on how many number you want to enter it. Okay, so now you try to system out dot print. Enter the last number. Last positive. Okay, so must be bigger than 0 one. Okay, ask them to enter lah. So now you try to put this number equal to this sc dot next I. From then to. So now this is a very certain use a for loop to iterate the number and so on. And since you need to actually come out of this a total, so we have a one more variable called total and so on. And number initially we assign to the 0. Okay, if we're not assigned to 0, sometimes they might give you the warning. Follow for integer I. Since we start from I less than or equal to this last number. Okay, I plus plus. So now we try to accumulate the 1 plus 2 plus 3 until this last number. Right, total plus equal to this I. This thing can be written total equal to this total plus I. Full sum understand not, but we can use it. So now finally finish already. We can actually put system dot out dot accumulation from 1 to this number is joined with this. Or you can use this printf also can, okay? Accumulation from 1 to this number is what? Now you can actually try to run it. Then, yes, accumulation, okay, from 1 to 10. Some pairing accumulation. They don't this Rachel was say spelling wrong. Okay. Correct. English teacher are more in this. It's good lah. They highlight because it's really wrong. Okay, otherwise student will follow. Okay, and now like the spelling problem are like no standard really. I still remember last time many years ago. Yeah, I work in a one company. Okay, the boss actually hiring the one programmer. This programmer I think graduated from this Taiwan one. Okay, Taiwan study all the Mandarin English is not really good. Okay, but they want to write the program English one. The boss always scolding okay, this Taiwanese English. Okay, horrible English. Okay, so now I'm not sure whether you're all done already or not. So ask you question whether program execute or not. Seems like some of you very nervous later on the lab tutorial test. Why so nervous? All of you, okay? My kinchong lah, okay? So all seems like very kinchong one, Especially I can see Anyi very stressful, okay? Anyi ơi, okay bo. Mine is stress, okay? Daddy the bo. I copy the code to you lah. Since some students still cannot not working. Okay. Why some of you still a little bit problem send this class file Java file. Yo, IT students some more. Kata prima. Okay lah. Aloy. I share entire screen lah. My God, you know where's the file? Okay. Okay. So now, first maybe you need to access into this your. First, you need to understand where is your Apache NetBeans install and so forth. Right. So probably Apache NetBeans install in this document. Okay. Apache NetBeans. Okay. So you can double check and see where is this Apache NetBeans project and so forth storing. Double check and see. Okay. So for example, in this project, right? In this project, first you can actually check that this property, where is this property and so forth. It's under the user line document NetBeans project ICT 2113 and so forth, for example. It's under this NetBeans project. Okay, so it's under here. Your folder is under this one. If you go right hand click with this one, if a right hand click with this project property, you can see where this file storing. See user line document NetBeans project ICT this one. Okay, so now you access it into this ICT April 2023 and so forth. For example, NetBeans project ICT 2 or this one. You can see or not this one this folder, right? Double click on it. So you can see the one over inside this what inside this project here. You can see that this one where hey, how come all the file missing one? Just now I did something then missing with. Okay, never mind. This class got a little bit problem. You can actually access inside. You can see the one folder called source file. Click on it. This is a called Java file under this source folder. Okay, guys. Under the source folder one, not this what, not this class file. Class file is a somewhere one. Okay, class file is this one. This class file, please do not submit this one. With extension class file, please do not submit the wrong file. This is under the build class, so you should actually go to the source file and then upload this source file. Copy this one. Then after that, upload into this canvas and so on. Zip everything. Because you got a two PDF, one PDF file, one source file, then you zip it, then you can get this answer with. Get it, guys? Up to you. If you want to create the project or you don't want to create the project, up to you. Okay. You can use the existing one to create the project, to create this exercise file also can the lab tutorial. Kaki suka lah, jadi mungkin. Up to you. Okay, we have a little bit part number 8. You need to do it before we can have a break. Add code to the report. A negative number have been input. Program above should be terminated and so forth. For example, so this program you need to revise a bit. Okay, revise a bit. So if in case they enter negative value, please ask them to prompt it again. So probably I try to convert it into this do while loop. Okay, I just try to put this do while what? While number is less than. Huh? We provide a little bit limited validation here. So in case they enter not the negative number, so we prompt them to enter again and so forth. In this case. This is a number 9 one. Okay, we just convert it into this number 9. So now if I try to rerun this program, I enter number 1. Okay, we run again. So for example, I enter negative 9. Wrong. They keep on asking you and so finally 50. So you get the 1275. Which means as long as you not enter the positive number, it will keep on asking you to re-enter again using this do while. Okay, guys. I think we can have a 10-minute short break. Later on, 9 o'clock sharp, you actually go back to this chambers. You can see the one section called coursework one. I think now also you can see already. Okay, coursework for one assignment and one lab tutorial. Assignment will be available at 12 p.m. later on, and the lab tutorial will be available at 9 a.m. later on. Okay, everything please upload using this submission part. You need to, I think they provide the link allow you to upload this file one. Okay, get it, guys? So now you take a short break. Later on we continue back for this session.